Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium, ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam, hakador ka babin.
Ka jingyalang jong ka kanhun menteri ka Sorkar jala ka balalong ha ka arpun riu tarik ubnai rempang arajar arfuway kala shim ya ka rai ban Pynphai no ya ka pisa ka basan pau na ka shispa shabaro ki All India Service Officer barjala ki bala Shakri hapo ka ne ka jala ya ka bakila siu kum ka Khajna syakatanat income tax. Usembut menteri rangba jong jela uba Preston Tensong habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor ulai thu ba ka jela Meghalaya kandei ka jela ka ban nengkong ban shim ya karai ban buriano ya ka Khajna bakini ki officer ki badai nabar ka jela kila siu kum ka Khajna sya ka income tax. Habaya thu ya ka daw halor ka jingshim ya ka ni karai uba Preston ula ong ba ka Sorkar ka sngo thu bakini ki officer ki bawan Shakri ha ka ni ka jela Meghalaya na ki jela boper jongkari India kin yo lem ya ki jingmentoy hadian bakila sya khati no na ka tulop ka baki yo ya ka baki habban siu Khajna.
Few issues were discussed, few agendas were discussed, and one of them is relating to the draft of Governor's address, and Cabinet has discussed all the details. We discussed both each and every sectors, each and every department. So that has been done, finalized, and then now we will go for final typing, and then we will send to the Honorable Governor, and he will address it in the first day of the budget session, that is on the 5th of March 2021. That was the agenda number one. Then the second agenda we approve, and the proposal came in from Finance Department relating to the incentive of reimbursement of payable income tax to the All India Service Officers. I think you all know, as per the Income Tax Act, what happened was non-tribal All India Service Officers, they are subjected to pay income tax annually, and they are throughout the nation, throughout India. So I think we are the first state government who has taken the decision today. Those non-tribal who are not exempted from payment of income tax, who serve and work in the state of Meghalaya, state government will reimburse the amount entitled by each one of them to pay to the income tax. State government will reimburse 95%. 95% of the total amount due to be paid to the income tax department will be reimbursed by the state government. Why we decided this? It's because we understand the senior officers, All India Service Officers, coming down to our state of Meghalaya all the way from different parts of the country. And then because we really wanted to make sure that they also get some special incentive. So therefore the state government today is pleased to approve, and henceforth 95% of their dues payable to income tax will be reimbursed by the state government. Number two, we also discussed about the state government employees. Again, working outside the state of Meghalaya, like in Meghalaya houses, because Meghalaya houses is is its own, and it is the office of the state government. Even for this sector, because these people, they are subjected again to income tax. Though they are tribals, but when they walk outside the state, they are subjected to income tax. So again, the government has decided for our own tribal officers or employees who are bound to pay their income tax, government will again provide and extend reimbursement to all of them annually. Okay, so taking into the expenditure where state government has to spend annually on this account, all India service officers, I think we will have to pay not less than 1 crore 45 lakhs, 1.45 crore annually, 1.45 crore annually. And the employees or the officers of the state government who happens to be our own citizens, tribals of the state working outside the state of Meghalaya in different department of the state government, again, as I already told you, they'll be also entitled for reimbursement, and this has been directed the concerned department to work it out. How much do we have to again spend annually? So for this figure, I'm yet to get it, but maybe sooner or later we will be able to get the actual amount, how much we have to spend on reimbursement of income tax payable by the concerned officers, employees of the government of Meghalaya.